At the first, I would like to thank you for your distinguished participation in the first exam of the first semester. Wishing you continued distinction and excellence. Today we will talk about proportion or equivalent ratios. Let's remember what we studied last year. About the ratios. Ratio is a method to compare between two numbers or two quantities of the same type and the same unit by division. We can write the ratio as follows, as in the next example. Example, find the ratio between the numbers 3 and 4. First we can write the ratio as a fractional form and write 3 over 4. And we can also write the ratio on the following form, 3 to 4. Remember that the ratio has the same properties of the fraction. The ratio doesn't change by multiplying and dividing the two terms by a number not equals 0. Let us remember some examples of a ratios from your 6th grade studies. Example. Put each of the following ratio in its simplest form. Write 20 to 15 in simplest form. To write the ratio in simplest form, divide the two terms by the height common factor. Of 20 and 15, we can divide by 5. 20 divide 5. Equal 4. And 15 divide 5. Equal 3. Write 36 to 54 in simplest form. To write the ratio in simplest form, divide the two terms by the height common factor. We can divide both sides by 9. (36) divide 9. Equal 4. And 54 divide 9. Equal 6. And we can divide by 2. Then the ratio in simplest form is 2 to 3. And now, try to solve by yourself. Put each of the following ratios in its simplest form. A. 40 to 60. B. 30 to 45. Please stop the video and try to answer. Put each of the following ratios in its simplest form. Two days to 8 hours. Attention. To find the ratio between two quantities, they must have the same units. In the example, we have two different units. We can convert the days to hours. We know 1 day equal 24 hours. Then, 2 days will be 48 hours. Now we have the same units. We can write the ratio in simplest form by dividing the two sides by 8. 48 dividing 8 equals 6. And 8 dividing 8 equal 1. Example. Put each of the following ratios in its simplest form. 1/4 kilograms to 450 grams. Attention. To find the ratio between two quantities, they must have the same units. In the example, we have two different units, kilograms and grams. We can convert kilograms to grams. 1/4 of kilograms equal 250 grams. Now we have the same units. We can write the ratio in simplest form by dividing the two sides by 10. 250 dividing 10 equal 25. And 450 dividing 10 equal 45. Now divide both sides by 5. The ratio will be 5 to 9. Now try to solve by yourself. Complete the following ratios. A. 18 hours to 1 day. B. The ratio between 16 and 64. In simplest form. Stop the video and try by yourself. Example. Show that the ratio 4 to 6 equal the ratio 20 to 30. Attention! The ratios are equal if they have the same simplest form. Now write the first ratio in simplest form. By dividing both sides by 2. Equal 2 to 3. And now write the second ratio 20 to 30. In simplest form. By dividing both sides by 10. Equal 2 to 3. Note that the ratios are equals. We say that the equal ratios are called a proportion. We talk about proportion in the next lesson.